Jojo, where the carburetor dey? Okay, now here now. Now the carburetor be that. Carburetor be that. How many times I go tell you say carburetor? They dey on that windscreen. Jesus! You can't see me this. See, let me warn you, Oga. This is the 7th time I'm bringing my car to your workshop. I don't need to fix my AC. You spoil my carburetor. You spoil my alternator. You will spoil my carburetor. When you come with the money I've been to spend on this car, I've reached to buy house in Banana Island. See, for this, I don't even want this car again. I don't want it. Idiot. Bastard. Okay, guys, it's okay. God has done this for me. He gave me a house in Banana Island. Also, he gave me a brand new car. Now, my own car, you use the go house for me, Nabi. Now, my own car, not cash you at the phone. It don't happen. Who they smell for you? Nothing concern me, more than the smell. Very useless man.
Blood of Jesus.
And the mag break now, wipe out they move. Jesus, this guy don't spoil my motor. This guy don't spoil my motor.
What's it with that?
Yeah! This one I manage. Just give me 500.
God have mercy upon us.